Jeannie from Sarasota, Florida asks, Hey Hobart, I'm going through a separation and I need to open my own checking account. Is there an option that's simple but still helps me grow my money? First of all, Jeannie, thanks for your honesty. I got to tell you, starting fresh, it's got to be hard. But also, having the right financial tools and asking the right questions can make the road ahead feel a whole lot steadier. Now, here's what most people don't realize: not all checking accounts are created equally. And if you want your money to do something while it just sits there, you can look at a high yield checking account. That might be the best kept secret out there. It's kind of the best of both worlds, right? It's like a traditional checking account and a high yield savings account, like they had a baby. And that baby came with a debit card, perks, and a 4.5% interest rate. Now, compared to the national average, which is around 0.07% in a checking account, that's a massive difference. Uh, of course, there's always a catch, right? To earn the high rate, you usually have to check a few boxes. First, you need a minimum number of debit card purchases, direct deposits, and maybe a balance cap. But if you're already doing that stuff, you're probably golden. It's a great way to keep your money accessible and liquid, but also make sure it's not just sitting there doing nothing, just being idle. Now, when you're rebuilding your financial life, even small wins matter. And this one, it's simple, it's effective, and quite frankly, totally in your control. Now, have you ever switched checking accounts for better perks or interest? If you have, drop your experience in the comments because there are some drawbacks. It might help someone else who's starting over. A new chapter, it always calls for smarter tools and better understanding. And this one, quite frankly, it pulls a lot more weight than you would expect. Now, your next bank account, it shouldn't just hold your money, it should help you move forward. Until next time, I'm Chris Hobart, reminding you that starting over doesn't mean that you have to start from scratch.